Okay, so this is my project, the career paths slash salary forecaster. What is our program? So our program basically helps you decide like what jobs you could apply to based on a few factors like highest level of education, what university you studied at, and like previous jobs or experiences. So like if you're in high school, maybe like internships. If you're out of high school, maybe like a past job, like for like you're a business analyst and you're applying for a new one. And the questions vary depending on if you graduated and you're adult or if you're still in high school.
All right.
Why did we choose this? So we had two other options, being a college planner and a credit card fraud detector. We as a group felt like the career path forecaster was gonna be more beneficial because many people don't know what to choose. So this program will act as a guide to help them decide the career.
Understood. Yes.
Okay. And this is the problem. Navigating the vast array of career opportunities can be a challenging task, particularly for recent graduates or high school students. This challenge lies in identifying a passion and making a decision that will shape their professional future, often with the pressure of committing to a path that could influence the rest of their lives.
All right.
And these are like our objectives for this project. So we hope to increase the probability of finding a job within the user's preferred career path, provide accurate and realistic salary estimates, reduce time and effort spent on job searching, lower the anxiety of career decisions by providing clear guidance, and our last goal will be minimize career uncertainty and risk. And this is how our project works. So on the left side right here, um, this is if you're in high school. So the program will ask you if you're in high school. You say yes. It'll do age, and it'll ask you four mandatory questions. So these four right here. And then these ones are optional questions like extracurriculars, volunteering, and awards. These will give the AI like more room to work with. So they give you better um like estimate, I guess. And on the right hand side right here is if you're not in high school, it would be the similar questions, highest level of education, where did you study at, what is your major, and previous jobs. And then there's two optionals for the same reason as the last one, just give a better estimate.
Yeah. Sounds about nice.
Okay.
Continue.
And this is what we use. So Streamlit was for the UI, Gemini was for the API and the API key. GitHub is for deploying, of course, and then VS Code is for like the coding, so like Python and all that.
Understood.
Okay. And these are some examples of how it would be used in the real world. So an indecisive student out of college can use this program, help them navigate what career they could go into. And example two would be a junior in high school wants to figure out what job would best fit him. So he uses our career path in Forecaster to find out a few recommendations based on major, education, and where they plan to study, and uh, some other things.
Understood. Yeah.
Thank you for listening.
That was really nicely presented, Nishant.
Thank you. Thank you.
Uh, so have you tried the program for yourself?
Yeah, I have.
And what were the results? What did the program suggest you to go with?
Uh, I think it was. It's kind of hard. There was a few. I think one of them was like a business analyst.
All right.
And because I think I put more than one. It was business and finance. So another one was probably, I think it was accounting. I think those are the two I
Sounds
remember. Yeah.
understood. Understood. Okay. Anyway, in the project.
My role was, so first brainstorming, I came up with one of the other ideas. So the credit card plan, I think it was the credit card like fraud detector. That was one of our brainstorming ideas. I helped code the UI a little bit, front end and back end. and I think that was that was it.
Okay, okay. We'll go to the project. Can you demonstrate the project for yourself?
Can I what?
Can you demonstrate the project?
Yeah. Let me get that real can you give me like a minute or two? I'm trying to find it.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, thank you. This should be it. Okay, yeah, this is it.
All right.
So, oh yeah, and I forgot to tell you, there was an option to upload a resume, so you can skip all the manual input. So this is for college, I guess, or current job, high school. Still the
Mhm.
education. This would let's just say, what do you suggest I put here? Like, how would you
Mm,
say, like, you're the user?
uh, let's go with someone has done their degree in computer science.
What'd you study? So like, Harvard,
Yep.
major.
We'll go with AI.
What'd you say?
We'll go with AI ML.
Previous jobs, let's say.
Let's begin as a fresher for now.
Can you say that again?
Let's begin as a fresher for now, I said.
Hold up, I need to fix my audio. It's kind of hard to hear. Did you say let's just keep it as blank? Is that what you said?
Yeah, let's just assume that the applicant is a fresher for now.
Okay. So nothing so far. And do you want to put the optional info, or do you want to just go straight to generate career insight?
We'll skip to it for now.
Okay. It'll take a little bit. Okay, this is what comes up. So your
Okay.
first job would be, or recommendation, machine learning engineer, um, directly aligned with the ML major, responsible for designing, building, deploying, etc. Uh, talks about your
That's
Harvard science background, and
Yep.
these are the salaries, I guess, for the jobs. So entry, 120 to 180,
Yep.
uh, mid 180 to 250, and then senior 250 to 400.
Understood.
And next one, data science. So with focus for your AI ML, analyze complex data sets, build models, inform business decisions, and then salary right here.
Hmm.
And then yeah, same thing for all of these ones. And these were like the like this question right here. This is kind of the optional ones. So
Understood.
optional was talking about like if you can relocate to different places or not. So and so, and it just talks about how salary is just different in like your location, compensation. So that's like getting bonuses, all that. Company size, your Harvard advantage. Harvard gives you a lot of credibility, so a lot of companies will be eyeing at you. And then entry level strategy, focusing on showcasing any relevant academic projects, research, or personal projects. AIML. Yeah, that's our program.
Mm, that was a great demonstration, Nishan.
Thank you. Thank you.